Hi students, good morning. Today the continuation part 7 integration. Yesterday in previous class we have discussed up to question number 140 by using substitution method. Now let us practice those method only. Question number 141. Question number 141, integration x by root of 1 minus x square into cos square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Right? This is 1 by cos square. We can write secant square root of 1 minus x square into x by root of 1 minus x square dx. This derivative is here. Let root of 1 minus x square equal to t. 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x dx equal to dt. Then x by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to minus dt. Integration of secant square t and x dx by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to minus transpose that side minus dt. Secant square t integration tan t plus c. So minus tan of t. T is equal to root of 1 minus x square plus c. Right. And transformation formulas. Listen. 2 sin A into cos B equal to formula sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A into sin B equal to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A into cos B equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Minus 2 sin A into sin B equal to cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. These are called transformation formulas. If while solving the integration, if it is in the form of this product, then you have to convert into that formula, transformation, use transformation formulas. Now, question number 142, integration of sin phi x into cos x dx. See, this is in the form of this one. So multiply by 2. 1 by 2, 2. Then 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B equal to formula 1 by 2. Tell me sin of A plus B. This is A, this is B. 5x plus x 6x plus sin of A minus B 5x minus x 4x. 1 by 2 sin 6x integration minus cos 6x by 6 minus cos 4x by 4 plus c is answer. Next one is question number 143. Question number 143. Integration of cos 7x into cos 3x dx equal to, multiply by 2 here, 1 by 2, 2, 2 cos A cos B formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 cos of A plus B, 7x plus 3x 10x plus 7x minus 3x cos of 4x into dx. So 1 by 2 cos 10x integration sin 10x by 10 cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 plus c. Okay, like that. we can find 144. Integration 3 power 2x minus 7 dx. Okay, this is in the form of a raised to x. A raised to x integration a raised to x by log 3 and 2x minus 1 differentiation 2, right in denominator. Integration of 146, integration of secant square 3x plus 5 dx. Secant square x integration is tan of 3x plus 5 by 3x plus 5 differentiation is 3 plus. Next 147, integration of secant root x tan root x by root x dx. Let root x equal to t. Let root x equal to t. Then root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. Use the formula, sec root x, sec t, substitute here, and tan t, and dx by root x equal to 2 dt. 2 integration of secant theta tan theta equal to integration of sec theta. Sec theta and tan theta integration is integration of sec theta. Sec theta, integration of sec theta tan theta is sec theta. Understood? Sec theta plus c. So which is equal to 2 sec root x plus c. Next, same 148, integration of 5 power cot x by sin square x dx. Let cot x equal to t. Understood? This comes up cosec square x. Understood? 5 power cot x into cosec square x dx. Let cot x equal to t. Cot x differentiation minus cosec square x dx equal to dt. So integration of 5 power cot x, 5 power t, cosec square x dx equal to minus dt. 5 power t integration 5 power t by log 5 plus t value substitute. 149, 150 easy question. 149 you try yourself. X cube into sine of x power 4 dx. Let x power 4 equal to t. 150 integration of e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Let tan inverse x equal to t. 151 integration of x into e power x square dx. Let x square equal to t. 152 integration of cos root x by root x dx. Let root x equal to t. 153 integration of cos x into cos 2x. Use multiply by 2 cos a cos b. Transformation formula you can use it. Okay. 154. These all try yourself. Integration of secant tan x, secant of tan x into secant square x dx. Let tan x equal to t. Finish. You can solve it. This is sec t. Tan x differentiation secant square x dx equal to dt. Integration of sec t is log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan of pi by 4 plus t by 2 plus c. T value x. 155. We can solve it. 156. 157. Integration of cos of 2 plus 3 log x divided by x dx. Let 2 plus 3 log x equal to t. 2 differentiation is 0. 3 by x dx equal to dt. Substitute here cos t dx by x equal to dt by t. 1 by t cost integration sin t plus 158 integration of 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x dx. Let x plus 1 by x equal to t. X differentiation is 1 minus 1 by x square and dx equal to dt. Integration of e power t 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. E power t integration e power t plus e power t is equal to x plus 1 by x. 159 integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x into e power x dx. Let x into e power x equal to t. X differentiation is x uv x into e power x plus e power x into x differentiation is 1 into dx equal to dt. This is e power x into 1 e power x plus x into e power x dx equal to dt, which is equal to dt by cos square t. Cos square t 1 by cos square t secant square t. Integration of secant square t is tan t plus c. Tan of t is equal to x into e power x plus c. Next one. Next one. Question number 160. Integration of tan x minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x into tan x by 2 dx. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, which is equal to tan of a minus b x minus x by 2 dx. Integration of tan x by 2. Integration of tan x is log of sec x by 2 and x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2 plus c. This is comes up. 61 is integration of e power tan inverse root x into by root x plus x root x dx. Let tan inverse of root x equal to t. 1 by 1 plus root x whole square is x, root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x and dx equal to dt. Then integration of e power tan inverse x is e power t by dx by multiplying here root x plus x root x dx equal to 2 dt. E power t integration is e power t plus c. 2 into e power t is equal to root of tan inverse of root x. Tan inverse of root x plus. Next, integration of e power x, sec of e power x and tan of e power x dx equal to let e power x equal to t. Then e power x dx equal dt sec t into tan t into dt. Integration of this is sec t plus c equal to sec of t is e power x plus c. Next, which is important for JEE, question number 163, JEE this is, not for CET. Integration of dx by a square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. Let x is equal to a tan theta, then dx equal to a secant square theta d theta. Integration of a secant square theta d theta, a square plus x is equal to a square tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. A secant square theta d theta, a square take out, get cancelled here, a cube into 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta and whole power 3 by 2, get cancelled here, right? This get cancelled here. 1 by a square secant square theta by secant cube theta, it's 1 by sec theta, take up cos theta. 1 by a square cos theta integration is sin theta plus c. Now change the variable here. Here by rectangle triangle here, tan theta equal to x by a, opposite by adjacent side, hypotenuse is root of x square plus a square. So 1 by a square sin theta is x by root of x square plus a square. This is also plus. This is important for J. This is, see, if it is comes a square minus x square, let x is equal to a sin theta. If it is comes x square minus a square, let x is equal to a sec theta. Next, further 164 also JEE question. This is same model. Integration of dx by x square minus 3 whole power 3 by 2. X square minus a square formula. Let x is equal to a means here root 3. Yes, root 3 a square here, a is root 3 sec theta. Then dx is equal to root 3 sec theta into tan theta into d theta. Substitute here root 3 sec theta tan theta d theta by x square root 3 secant square theta, root 3 secant square theta means 3 here square here minus 3 whole power 3 by 2, root 3 sec theta into tan theta d theta. 3 take common here, okay, 3 take common here, secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. Yes, here square root cancel, tan cube theta, here root 3 by 3 power 3 by 2. Integration of sec theta into tan theta d theta by tan cube theta. This get cancelled, tan square theta. It comes up down. Here root 3 here 3 power 1 by 2 it is. A ratio m by a ratio 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. How much? Minus 2 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. This get cancelled here. Secant theta 1 by cos theta. And this is tan square theta sin square theta by cos square theta. Right? One of the cos get cancelled here. The remaining is sin theta by cos. So take off here. Cos comes up. Cos by sin square theta. So 1 by 3 cos by sin square theta equal to cot theta into cosec theta. So cosec theta into cot theta. So cosec theta into cot theta equal to minus cosec theta plus c. Change the variable here by using triangle here. Theta here. Theta is equal to x by hypotenuse. Sec theta equal x by root 3 means hypotenuse is x. Adjacent side is root 3. This is how much here? X square minus 3. root of x square minus 3. Then cosec theta equal to minus 1 by 3 cosec theta x by root of x square minus 3. This is the answer. This is for J. Okay. Next, this type of problems, one more also there that you can write. Integration of 177 question dx by root of x square minus a square whole cube. After deriving this, you can use formula, but behind formula is very difficult. I don't like it. Okay, just you solve it. Take your own time because it's J question. Okay, you can solve yourself. Let x is equal to here a sec theta. Same procedure we have done. Dx is equal to a sec theta into tan theta into d theta. Now a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by root of x is equal to a square secant square theta minus a square whole power 3 by 2. A sec theta into tan theta d theta divided by the square root cancel a square a power 3 by 2 secant square theta minus 1 tan square theta. Yes, tan square theta here a square a power 3 by 2 tan square theta whole square cancel tan power 3 by 2 secant square theta here root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square whole cube. Yes. Now a square here secant square theta minus 1 tan square theta root get cancelled a into tan square theta, right? Root whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Sorry, I have done mistake here. Cube here have done 3 like that. Now it is correct. Yes. Square root cancel here a secant theta tan theta d theta. A square is a cube here into tan square theta get cancelled tan cube theta. Okay, so 1 by a square secant theta. This is tan cube theta tan square here take up cot square theta cos square theta by sin square theta. This is 1 by cos theta. This get cancelled. Cot theta into cosec theta. 1 by a square cot theta into cosec theta, which is equal to minus cot theta plus c. Cot theta cosec theta. Then by diagram you get it. This is by right angle triangle here. This is the theta. X sec theta is x by a. This is root of x square minus a square. So minus 1 by a square. Cosec theta is x by root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the answer. This is you can use formula also because just now have proved the one problem here. X square dx by x square minus 3 whole power 3 by 2. Just if you remember formula, in place of a, what is a? Root 3. Root 3 substitute here. Root 3 square 3 x square minus 3. But if you forget formula, you will get very difficult in the exam while writing during the exam. So that's why proceed this method only. If you want, go ahead. If you have memory power, good, then you can go ahead the form. Next one. (166) x plus 1 by root of 2x plus 1 dx. Let 2x plus 1 equal to t square. 2 dx equal to 2t dt. Get cancel. X plus 1. Okay. What is x is equal to? T square minus 1 by 2. Okay. T square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root of 2x plus 1 equal to t square means t, and dx is equal to t dt. Integration of t square minus 1 plus 2 by 2t dt into t. Get cancelled here. Right? 1 by 2 t square plus 1 dt. 1 by 2 t square integration t cube by 3 plus t plus c. Next. 169 integration of x square by x power 6 plus 2x cube minus 3 dx. Let this we can write x cube whole square. Let x cube equal to t. 3x square dx equal to dt. X square dx equal to dt by 3. T square plus 2t minus 3. 1 by 3 dt. Partial fraction here. T minus 1 into t plus 3. Correct? Right. So the partial fraction, shortcut you know a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 3. How to get this value here? Put t is equal to 1 here, 1 plus 3, 1 by 4. 2 is equal to minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 by 4. So, take common here, 1 by 12, integration of 1 by t minus 1, minus 1 by t plus 3 dt. 1 by 12, log of t minus 1, minus log of t plus 3. Right? So, 1 by 12, log of m minus n, log of m by n. T plus 3 plus next. 170 integration of x plus 2 2x square minus 7x plus 3 dx. Factorization here. 2x square minus 7x plus 3, 2x square, 2 3 is 6, tell me, minus 6x minus x plus 3. Take common here 2x, x minus 3, x minus 3. X minus 3 take common, 2x minus 1. Okay, integration of x plus 2 dx divided by x minus 3 into 2x minus 1. Partial fraction here, a by x minus 3 plus b by 2x minus 1 dx.